Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So you are still using the old boring UI of the JMeter in 2026? What if I show you a free plugin that transforms JMeter into a modern developer-friendly testing studio with the dark themes, custom icons and the premium interface? So in this video, I will show you can do this all using the JMeter Studio plugin, and I will show you how you can install and use this. So let's begin. The first thing which you need to do is that you need to go to the browser, and in browser you need to search for JMeter plugins. And this is the official website, jmeter-plugins.org. Just click on this one and you will land on this particular website. Now, this website has basically all the JMeter plugins. Right now, they are 141, and from here you can search. Then you go here, browse plugins. So you can browse the plugins, go to the documentation. So you will see which are the graphs, thread groups, timers, listeners. There are so many available over here, right? And if you go here back on install, so basically from here you need to install the plugins manager. So any of these plugins, if you want to install, first you need to have a plugins manager. You can simply download this one and put that into the extension directory and restart the JMeter. Then you will see an option for the plugins and you can install the plugins available from here. And if I go here and search for JMeter Studio, so this is one of the plugins which I was referring to. So what this plugin is all about, so if you click on this one and you just scroll down, so a modern theme engine for Apache JMeter featuring both dark and light themes with the custom icon sets. So you can see that how this is the beautiful theme for the JMeter. Currently, if you don't use this one, if you're using the default one, so that's how your JMeter looks like. So there's a huge difference between these two, right? So in order to use this kind of a theme, so basically you need to use this JMeter Studio. Now their features are basically dark theme, light theme, custom icon sets, seamless integrations with the JMeter. Then your theme choice is saved across the JMeter sessions. Now there's the important part, which is the requirements. You should have a JMeter 3.6.3 or later and Java 17 or later. So if I go to the JMeter website and search for the JMeter, if I go here and if I show you what is the latest version, so basically the latest version is 5.6.3, which means in order to use this plugin, you should have the latest JMeter version and then the Java. So if I go here, so simply you need to go to the browser and you say download JDK, and from here you can either go with the 21 or you can go with the 17. So 26 is available, 17, so minimum you should have 17. Then you can go with the JDK 21, 25 or 26 as well. And once you install the JDK, you need to ensure that JDK or Java is working fine. For that, what you need to do is that go to command prompt and type java version, and it should give you a version. So currently in my system is Java 21, so I am currently good to go with this plugin. So I am meeting the condition for the Java version and I have already installed the latest JMeter. So once you have installed this one, so there are two ways. One way is using the JMeter plugin, which I showed you earlier. Secondly, you can directly download that plugin and put that plugin into the extension folder and restart the JMeter. So that is the better and simplest way if you don't want to install the JMeter plugin. So simply, what you need to do is that you need to download the latest JMeter Studio from the releases and then copy that jar file to the JMeter installation into the extension directory, lib/extension. Here you need to copy this file and you need to restart the JMeter. And here saying that you can download from the releases. So you just scroll up, go here, this is the releases, click on this one, and from here you need to download this particular jar. Now once you have downloaded this one, what you need to do is that you need to put that jar into the extension folder. So let me show you this one here. And so just minimize the browser, and here we have JMeter on my desktop. So this is the folder. You need to open this one. You need to go to this lib folder, open this one, and you need to go to this extension folder, and here you need to paste this jar file which you just downloaded. And in the similar way, you can install the plugins manager. So I'm not using the plugins manager, I'm directly putting that jar file into this extension folder. So once you have put that one, if JMeter is already opened, you need to close this one and reopen the JMeter. If the JMeter is not open yet, then you can open the JMeter directly. And once you have opened this one, you need to go to the JMeter. So this is the default theme for this one. Let me increase the size. And now you need to go to the options over here. You will see a JMeter Studio over here, and you see all the different themes. So let me show you the first one. This is how beautifully it looks like. So if you need to apply this theme, then you need to restart now. Right now I'm not changing anything, I'm just showing you how beautifully it looks like and what different kind of the themes you have in this one. Then the second one, so this is the lighter version, and no, then I will go to again this one. This is the third theme, again no, go to options, and then again here this particular theme, again this is very good theme. And then if I go back here, so basically you can go again, go to the Dracula ones. So this is the theme. If you need to go with some light theme, so you can go with GitHub Light. So click on this one. So this is a GitHub sort of theme. Buttons, layout, feel, give you a feel of GitHub. So if you want to use this kind of stuff, you can do this. And again, if you want a darker theme, so there are darker themes available here. So once you have selected a theme, you can just restart this one. So this theme will be implemented. And if you want to go back to the default theme, so simply click on restore default. So, and again, restart. So it will restart the JMeter automatically with the restored or the original theme. So basically in this way, you can use this JMeter Studio and have a beautiful theme when you're working on the performance testing.